Welcome to your first Python Jupyter Notebook lesson. In this video, we will explore Python basics using Jupyter. Jupyter Notebooks help you write and run code step by step. Python is a popular language for beginners because it is easy to read and use. Let us get started and see what Python can do. Running the cell now. What is a Jupyter Notebook? Jupyter Notebooks let you mix code, explanations, and results. You can run code in small pieces, called cells. This makes it easy to learn, try things, and fix mistakes. Running the cell now. Let us try your first Python command together. This line is a comment. Comments are just notes to yourself and do not run. This prints a friendly message on the screen. Running the cell now. Try changing the text and run it. Now let us store some information, like a name. This comment reminds us what is happening. We create a variable called name and set it to Alice. We show what is saved in the name variable. Running the cell now. Can you create a variable for your name? Try it now. Let us make the notebook interact with you. This is a comment showing what this code does. This asks you what your favorite food is and saves it in a variable. This prints out a message using what you typed. Running the cell now. Try typing your favorite food and run the code. Python can do math like a calculator. This comment explains we will use math. We set A to 5. We set B to 3. We add A and B and store the answer in sum_AB. We show the result on the screen. Running the cell now. Change the numbers and see what you get. Practice, print your name and age. Try using print to show your name and age in a message. Running the cell now. Pause and try it yourself. Then come back to keep going. Python uses different types for different data. This code lets us store other kinds of information. Comments explain each step. Age is a number with no decimal point. Height is a number with a decimal point. Is_student is a true or false value. This prints the age. This prints the height. This shows whether we are a student. Running the cell now. Try changing the age and height to match you. Now let us group several items together in a list. We use lists to store more than one value at a time. Here we save 3 color names in a list. We print the list to see all the colors. Running the cell now. Add another color to your list and print it. Let us look at the pieces inside a list. We use square brackets and a number to pick an item. We call this an index. The first color uses 0 for its index. The second color uses 1. Running the cell now. What happens if you try colors, too? Try it. Let us build a list from what you type. Here, you will enter the animal names. This asks for the first animal. This asks for the second animal. We put them both into a list. Now print the whole list of animals. Running the cell now. Add more animals by editing the list after running. Lists grow or shrink as you need. Lists are flexible. You can add new items. This adds yellow to the end of the colors list. Let us see what the new list looks like. Running the cell now. Try adding another color of your choice. Let us learn to take something out of a list. We can also remove an item from a list. This finds and removes green from the colors list. Let us print what is left. Running the cell now. Try removing different items and see what happens. Removing something that does not exist can cause errors. We can use try and except to handle errors safely. The code tries to remove purple from the list. If purple is not there, Python will skip to the except part. This message tells us purple was not found. Running the cell now. Practice adding and removing items to understand errors. Take a moment now. If you find this helpful, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends so they can learn too. Useful list methods. Append open parenthesis close parenthesis, add an item. Remove open parenthesis close parenthesis, delete an item by value. Pop open parenthesis close parenthesis, take out an item by place. Sort open parenthesis close parenthesis, put items in order. Try using these on your own list. Running the cell now. Loops help you work with one item at a time. A loop lets us do something for each color in the list. This loop picks a color, one at a time. It prints the color each time. Running the cell now. Try creating your own loop for the animals list. Now let us create a whole new list in one line. List comprehensions help us build lists fast. Here we make a list of squares for numbers 0 to 4. Let us see the squares. Running the cell now. Try changing the formula to make cubes instead. You can put items in order easily. We use sort to rearrange the colors alphabetically. Now colors are in order. Let us look at the sorted list. Running the cell now. Try sorting your animal list. Sometimes you need to put two lists together. You can add lists to make a bigger list. Colors and animals combine into one large list. Let us print them all together. Running the cell now. What two lists can you combine from your own? Let us use a loop and input to build a real-life list. We start with an empty shopping list. This loop runs 3 times. Each time it asks what to add to the list. We save the answer in item. We add it to the shopping list. Let us print the shopping list at the end. Running the cell now. Try adding more or fewer items by changing the range. Let us write a small program to find the longest word. We start with an empty string for the longest word. We look at each word in the shopping list. If this word is longer than the current longest, we update it. This checks the length of the current word. We keep the new longest word in longest. Let us see which item is the longest. Running the cell now. Can you make it find the shortest word too? Let us handle removal carefully so there are no errors. We check if milk is in the list before removing. Only remove milk if it is there. This removes milk safely. If it is not present, we print a helpful message. Let us look at what is left in the shopping list. Running the cell now. Try this method for items that may not exist yet. Pay attention to exact spelling in your lists. Here is a friendly reminder about spelling mistakes. This code checks if bread is in your shopping list. If bread is found, it celebrates. Otherwise, it reminds you to check spelling. Running the cell now. Try adding a misspelled item and see the result. Let us copy and clear lists safely. Use copy to keep a backup before changing your list. We copy the whole shopping list to backup. Then clear shopping to make it empty. Print backup to see if your items are safe. Now print shopping to check that it is empty. Running the cell now. Always make backups before big changes. This helps avoid mistakes. Now it is your turn for a small challenge. Try building your own list with 2 items. This loop helps you add new words. Each answer goes onto your personal list. See your finished list after you run it. Running the cell now. Can you use a loop to print each item on its own line? If you are enjoying this, please like, comment, and subscribe for more easy beginner lessons. Sharing helps others learn too. Recap: you did it! You learned how to print messages, store data in variables and lists, use input and loops, modify, sort, and combine lists, practice safe coding, keep experimenting and practicing. Every new notebook is a chance to learn and grow. Running the cell now. Thank you for learning Python in Jupyter Notebooks. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more beginner Python tutorials. Share your notebook with a friend and help them start learning too. Happy coding! Running the cell now.